You have sent out 50 applications, maybe 100 applications. You have the grade, you have the skills, you have the experience, but everything is still silent. So today, I'm going to show you that one big mistake on your CV that is still costing you interviews and how to fix it today, because recruiters scan CVs in seconds. Sometimes you check your email again and again, hoping for you to receive an interview invitation, but you see nothing. And for a while you begin to ask yourself, is something wrong with me? Maybe it's my grade or my experience, or is it that I'm not good enough for this job? But sometimes the problem isn't you. The problem is just your CV. See, recruiters don't read CV word for word. They scan them quickly. And if your CV is looking like everyone else, they may move on to the next person before they even see what you actually do. So it's not always your qualification, it's how you present them. So here is the common example you open your CV with: hardworking, dedicated, team player, fast learner, seeking for job opportunity. That sounds good, right? Yes, but here is the problem. Everyone says this, and this doesn't show the recruiters what you actually do. Instead of that, show your proof. For example, I lead a team of 5 to complete a client project 2 weeks earlier and increase client retention by 30%. Now that is the difference. The first statement tells and the second statement proves. Numbers, results and specific actions make your CV more stronger, and you don't need 5 years of experience to do this. So here are the 3 things I want you to fix on your CV today. Number 1, fix your summary. Remove all the generic words like dedicated, hardworking. Tell me what you actually do. And number 2, check your bullet points. Look at all your lines and ask yourself, does this show any results? Does this show any numbers, any specific action? If not, rewrite it. And number 3, remove unnecessary information. Your CV doesn't need to show your entire life story. So just keep the information that proves you can do the job you are applying for. So remember, rewrite, audit and cut. One more thing, don't let lack of interview invitation make you think you are not good enough. But your CV sometimes need improvement. Sometimes you don't even need to be more qualified. You just need your qualification to be easier to see. So if this video helps you to look at your CV differently, I want you to comment CV below and I will share more tips on what to fix on your CV. And if you have anyone applying for jobs and hearing nothing back, I want you to share this video today, because this might be exactly what they are looking for. So I will see you in the next video. Bye.